Hello and welcome back to 52 Press. My name is Sharissa Bradley and I am the publisher here behind the scenes. We are an independent hybrid publishing house that specializes in publishing memoirs and educational nonfiction. We believe that everybody has a story to tell, and we also believe that story has the ability to bring us back together after years of being divided. And here at 52 Press, we strive to be a safe places where those stories can be shared and be told, and to bring back that feeling of unity and connection by reading each other's stories. We don't always have to be in the same room together to feel like we are connected and to feel like we are heard and understood and validated and valued. We hope that those who are reading the stories that we publish here at 52 Press are truly feeling like they are connected to a greater whole. We help throughout the entire manuscript process. You can come to 52 Press as early as the idea phase and start working directly with me to get your book to come to fruition. I will help guide you along on your journey to pick the perfect editor and the perfect book cover designer that suits your needs the best and fits your vision. So if you are looking for a place to bring your story and to connect with others, I will encourage you to check out the website 52press.com and see if there is a place for you here as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye.